It's 7 o'clock and it's our last day in the Smokies. And it rained until about midnight. We got in our tent after our little thing last night and it started pouring. So it rained for about 4 hours. You can see the sunrise behind me. Tent's pretty much cleaned out. Cheryl went to go get water and I just get my shoes on, which is hard to do when they're wet and they're just outside the tent. But I am going to get up. Sorry for all the commotion. I'm gonna go ahead and get up and get this tent put away. It's wet, but since we're going home, we can wash it. Cheryl wanna wash it, and then we can hit the road. We have a big climb this morning up Mt Cammerer, and then we get to see the fire tower. So excited about that. It's 0.6 off the trail and it's uphill, so I didn't know she'd go for it. But I told her it's one of those things I wanted to do, and that I don't think I'd ever come back because of we have like a descent of 4,000 feet to like 1,900 feet to where we're gonna get picked up outside the Smokies. So I said I never want to come back and do that just to see that fire tower. And she's like, okay, let's go. So we are up and trying to get out, and both of our feet hurt from all the descent last night and the rain, and so we don't want to lose any toenails. So we know that this big descent we're fixing to have is a big deal. So we need to get out, but we want to do it slow, fast, and safe. Here comes Cheryl back from getting water. Was it hard to get?
No. There's a pipe.
Yay.
Just super low to the ground.
Yeah, I had to squat to get the one yesterday.
Yeah.
Thanks for getting the water.
Welcome.
I was hoping to have the tent taken care of, but instead I started talking to the video.
More important, right?
Hammockers in the shelter. This young couple came up yesterday, passing the bear cables right here. Everybody's got their breakfast down. So we have to continue going downhill till we get. It's wet, slippery, gorgeous weather, and rocky. So I would say a prayer for Cheryl not to fall, but by the time you see this, it'll already be too late. So I've been climbing last, I'd say, 1/10 of a mile like this. So we're almost there. Trying to find a foot placement. Climbing up rocks isn't easy. Almost looks like lava. Ash. Volcanic. Oh, I just climbed over this rock. So I'll take you out this way. Probably better views from. Holy crap. I'm just on the edge of this. Oh. Let me see if I can. Holy moly, there's Interstate 40 down there. Newport, Dandridge. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just climbed up that trail right there. Oh my goodness. And my goal is to get to that fire tower. So here I go. Get off this mountaintop. This is called Mt Cammerer. And my goal is to get to the fire tower. So I've got to kind of watch my foot placement as I walk down this to get over there. Yeah, this is not for the faint of heart. Holy moly. Almost there though. I'm so excited. I've seen this in so many pictures and videos from the Adams, up and Adam. See if I can get up here so you can see this. Don't know if you could see it, I had to hold it above my head. I guess I have to go up here to these steps. I thought there was a seat to sit on, but it's a step. Oh my gosh. Here we go. These boards aren't really. Cool. Sorry, I'm out of breath. It's not a good video when you're out of breath.
No. No, I'll probably wait.
So, that's all it is. The floor doesn't look that great. It looks like 2 windows have broken out. you're looking at fresh bear scat. Small bear compared to some of the ones we've seen, but still, bear scat. Sight for sore eyes. See that box right there? That means that we're at the end of the Smokies. We have completed 71.5. Painful miles. That's what they were. We're done with the Smokies. We're not done for the day. We still almost have like a mile, 1.6 miles to get down to the Pigeon River where we're being picked up. But we're so excited to be out of the Smokies. So excited.
1.6.
We just finished that 31.
Hello.
And we're back on the regular AT where you have to walk off of a road straight uphill. We can hear traffic from Interstate 40. We hear water. Oh my goodness. I just want to lay in it.
Just for just a minute. Thank you.
Get it all nice and cold in the river.
Oh my God. It's a beautiful thing.
Shut up. Are you kidding me? But I didn't see it. Yeah. Cheryl just said a snake jumped in the water right there as she walked by. I guess I don't want to see it, do I? Well, I'm not getting in the water now. For sure. Just came out of there. And the AT goes along this road. And there's Interstate 40 up there. Big Creek, Pigeon River,